We are out and about. It's Saturday morning, and we're headed to the Hamfest. It's
Sparkman Drive Northwest.
Yes, dear. It's just a little after 7 a.m. this morning here, and we're right in the middle of Huntsville Aerospace Park, I guess is what it is. And
in a quarter mile, continue straight onto Bob Wallace Avenue Southwest.
Bob Wallace, yeah, that's where we're going. Yes, we are here in Huntsville, Alabama. We're selling, so we got in early. All the vendors are setting up here. We'll do a table by table review in a little bit. This is setup day Friday. Everybody is arriving, putting all their stuff on their tables. The manufacturers are all up here front. So we'll check it out.
I'm going for Austin.
How you doing, Donna?
Hey, I'm doing good.
Good. Busy as usual. That's good. You don't see this every day. What do you think it is? It's not a meat tenderizer. It doesn't tell you how warm your steak is. Believe it or not, it's a battery cell tester. You put it across there. The resistor is that flat part, and it will measure a cell in a lead acid battery so you can check. Nice wooden handle. Pretty cool. So this you don't ever see often. It's a Channel Master, same people that make antennas, and it's a cassette recorder with instructions. And it's in clean shape. And it could be yours for $4, or is that $9?
That's forward.
$4 for this cassette recorder. Wow. Even a list of tubes. How about that? That's pretty wild. Maybe an RCA invention. And then maybe they shrunk the cassette. I don't know. It's cool though. This is a thing called a tube caddy. It holds vacuum tubes for the serviceman. This is a vacuum tube. This happens to be a rectifier. And it's a diode made by Raytheon. They make missiles now. This is a transceiver, vacuum tube of course, made by Gonset. You've maybe never seen one of these. That's a pretty rare thing. I think you'll only see this in a you don't see this kind of test equipment very often. It's amplifier strips. It's an IF amplifier, intermediate frequency amplifier made from vacuum tubes. It's chrome chassis. You can see all the stuff underneath, all point-to-point wiring, and there's different pieces of test equipment here for different things.
I saw one of those in a schematic.
This tube's broken. There you go. Old-time test equipment. Some of you older folks will recognize these.
0.05 times 20 is 100. So it's 0.05 microseconds. I said, if I don't come back with any money, they'll be valid. No, it's 100.01. Thank you very much. I think it's 20 maybe.
Speaking of old radios, some of you might even remember these. These are Zenith transoceanic radios. If you look at the frequency band here, you can see it covers the shortwave bands. And a lot of them have given locations like Paris and Moscow and those places. This is a different model with a little different display.
Choo-choos are $5.
That's it. This is a oscillator. It's called a signal tracer. And it's got a funny little eyeball thing here. Yeah, if we would look at that, we would think that that's HAL in there. That's not HAL. That's called a magic eye tube. It's used like a meter. It's kind of cool. At these Hamfests, you never know what you're going to find. You got a whole table of jewelry. Look at that. So the ladies in town, or whoever wants to wear this, here it is.
Seen any teletypes roll by each or something?
Well, you know what? You don't see these every day. Yeah, that's cool.
No, actually, I didn't hear that. Big on shooting.
This is Sunday morning, about 9:30 a.m. Hamfest open at 9 o'clock. Most Hamfests have openings on Sunday, but a lot of the attendees usually show up on Saturday. As you can see, it's kind of early. I know everybody's been out eating and drinking and those types of things. Of course, drinking soda. And here we are. Looks pretty slim. That's okay. Let's go check some of the vendors that came. Here's a bunch of radio and accessory manufacturers here on the aisle. This company, MFJ, is an American company, started in a garage, and they've made all of these products quite well known for products for the amateur radio market. Just about any kind of device you'd ever want. Still made in Mississippi. Different vendors and the like here. This guy makes Morse code keys. All different styles, real nice. Antenna guy. We've got another manufacturer of antennas and meters for measuring standing wave ratios. We've got Elecraft, premium manufacturer of HF radios, pretty nice. And different other folks here. Accessories and all the flea market. And then we have Donna and her husband that make caps and badges, things like that. That's where I usually buy my ID badges. Kind of cool. And more vendors over here. got Yaesu that makes HF radios and VHF radios from Japan.
Get the anytone radio to start.
Another manufacturer of antennas and accessories. And we'll continue down the aisle here. This is the American Radio Relay League. They are, I don't know, a stalwart here for dealing with amateur radio things, both from a political and other area. You can rely on them for doing all kinds of things for amateur radio. And we have another premium radio manufacturer. This is ICOM. They make great radios. I've got a bunch of their stuff. These folks are promoting another convention down in Florida, more caps and accessories. This is very cool. Edgelit signs for the ham shack. Kind of nice. Accessories, parts, pieces, more parts, another vendor. And back to the flea market. Hey, look, jewelry. Looks like homemade jewelry. Silver, turquoise, nice stuff. Hey, shout out for Earl. Nice meeting you, Earl. And a big shout out to Katie. And somebody selling non-ham stuff. The Dayton Hamvention, it's a big hamvention up in the Ohio area. We go there every year. And the premium vendor actually is based right here in Huntsville. Is a company called Gigaparts. Gigaparts sells just about everything other than amateur radio stuff, computers, and you name it, they sell it. They're local here. In fact, I think their base is like 5 miles from here. Another vendor of supplies, radios from manufacturers, and everything else. It's a great place to shop. Hey everybody, this is the prize drum. That's where all the tickets are. If we're lucky, we might win something. Over here is the prize winners. Excuse me. Yet to be claimed. All the call signs. And then there's some more stuff here. But if you're looking to do your prizes, it's right here. That's it. 2023 Huntsville Hamfest. It's 3 o'clock. Everybody's tearing down. Another one in the books.